G'day viewers, it's Phil Lee from Sunrise Cars and Edward Lee's. Have a look at this. This is exciting. I love these cool, unusual, interesting and weird cars from the 70s. I'm a child of the 70s and I love 70s cars. And yeehaw, look what we've had come into stock. This is a beautiful example of a Mini Moke. Woohoo! Look how pretty it is. This is a 79 galvanized body, and what makes this a special moke, apart from looking as good as what you can see in these images, 15-inch wheels, performance alloys, almost brand new tires, comfortable seats, yay, seat belts, 4 people can comfortably ride in this little machine. But there's been a huge amount of money gone into the mechanicals of this car because the previous owner wasn't happy with the sub 1000cc motor, so he's put in a 1375 motor with a cam and a carby, and it goes like a rocket ship, and he's put in new drive shafts, and while he was busy doing that, he's put disc brakes on this little puppy, so this actually stops. And having a gal body, there's no rust in this. It's a very clean example. It's got all bar, tow bar, rear nudge bar, LED lights, very bright at night. But the 1375 means it's a little rocket ship to drive. This has got bags of power and all the mechanicals are brand new. The disc brakes mean it'll pull up rapidly as well. Most of these old puppies, the drum brakes are a little bit hit and miss. This setup does the job beautifully. 1979, where were you in 1979? You can have a look here through there, everything's brand new. Engine, gearbox, drive shafts, disc brakes, the whole lot's just been done. New wipers. The radio works. It's got a set of the frame and the roof as well. It comes with a frame and a roof, so if you're worried about getting wet or sunburnt, this is cool. Look at that K&N filter on the single SU carb. Look at the beautiful radiator that they put in this thing. Upgraded radiator, cooling fan. It's very neat and tidy under here. The bonnet. There's the built plate. Freeze frame that on HD. You'll see it says 1979 on it. Don't you love the way you put the bonnet? This is such a simple car. That's the beauty of it. Why do you love a Moke? Because it's simple and beautiful. And this one's pretty. I've just driven this around Concord out to lunch today. I got more smiles and waves than anything I've ever seen or experienced. Everyone loves this car. Nice chrome fuel filler cap comes with the package. The radio works, the wipers work, and it comes with these are the little front window that come in. I took them out to make the video, and tucked in the back here is the vinyl roof, and we've got the frames for the roof that attach here, and here, back at the office. Sorry about the wind for this video, it's poor sound quality. If you like the look of this car, give us a call at Sunrise Cars and Edward Lee's. Our number is 02 9744 0539. If you like this car, give me a call. That's my ugly mug there if you want to come and say g'day. Hello, Phil Lee. Oh, hang on. Before I end, I'll just start it up. Have a listen to it. It sounds beautiful.
Awards end. Let's give